Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa pasta. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of quinoa flour, 3/4 of a cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and half a teaspoon of salt. These simple components are the foundation for delicious, homemade gluten-free pasta. Ensure you have a clean workspace and your tools ready. Next, let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the quinoa flour, xanthan gum, and salt. Slowly pour in the warm water, mixing with your hands until a shaggy dough comes together. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic, ready for the next step. Now it's time to shape your pasta. First, let the dough rest for about 20 minutes, covered, to relax the gluten. Then, divide the dough into 3 or 4 manageable portions. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each portion very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Finally, cut your pasta into your preferred shapes, like fettuccine or spaghetti. Finally, let's cook and enjoy your homemade quinoa pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes. It's ready when it floats to the surface and is al dente, offering a slight bite. Drain well and serve immediately with your favorite sauce. Enjoy your delicious, gluten-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.